Good morning, Byrana, and thank you for inquiring about Hyundai Kona. My name's Mark. I'm going to be your sales specialist. As you can see, I've got a wide variety of different colours and different trim packages. The Kona comes with wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, alloy wheels, blind spot detection, LED turn signals, proximity key. Let's take a look inside. This one comes with the houndstooth cloth interior, touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, lane keep assist. It has it all. But let me tell you the great thing about this vehicle. It comes with America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call, 205-720-6581. You're going to love where you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.
Sunshine on Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures a bit cooler tomorrow. High 63. On your side, WBRC, personal work chief meteorologist JP Dice.